Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the white balance in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After tapping on the picture, it loads. And here in the bottom bar, we have to select the color. After tapping on color, here you can see there is a white balance little thing. We can select from this toggle list either the white balance to be as shot, so how the image was saved in the device that we used to capture it, or we can select auto, that creates a white balance that the app creates. So this is the setting that the app creates. And then we can select custom, where we can set the white balance ourselves by increasing the temperature and setting the tint of the image. Also, there is another option to set the white balance. In the right side, there is a little dropper tool. If we tap on this, then we can select something in the image that is purely white. So let's say we select this, tap OK, and then the white balance is set to that. But if we select another color, then the white balance is going to be set to that. So as you can see, if I move it around, then the white balance changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.